In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a Tinkercad class. Now to do this, there's a few ways. The first one is if your teacher sent you a link, you can just click on that link, sign into your account, and you should be able to automatically join that class. But if you didn't get the link, you got a code or something similar, you want to go to their official website, scroll down, and from here it says join class. You can click on join class over here, and as you can see, here is the code your teacher shared, so you have to type it in and then click on go to my class, and that's going to work. Okay, now of course if you're signed into your account already, I'm going to sign in right now just to actually show you how you can do this from inside your account as well. So sometimes of course you may have an account with Tinkercad already and you want to join from your account without having to log out and stuff like that. So whenever you're in here, you'll see that on the left hand side it says classes. So you want to go to your main dashboard, click on classes, and here you can click on join a class, and again you can put in your code, click on go to my class, and that's going to put you in there. Okay, so those are the ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.